Hello बच्चों, today we will discuss about the drawbacks of Bohr's atomic model. In the previous class, we will discuss about what is Bohr's atomic model. Students, Rutherford came and gave his model, Rutherford atomic model. There was some disturbance comes in his model. So in Bohr's atomic model also there was some disturbance comes. So, what is the first disturbance? What is the first drawbacks of Bohr's atomic model? He only explained the spectra of uni-electron species. Students, in this sentence, two difficult words present. One is spectra and another is uni. What is spectra? Spectra means, students, color. And uni means single. One. So the meaning of this sentence is he only explained the spectra of uni-electron species. The atom which contain only one electron, this one electron wala atoms spectra Bohr explained. Only uni-electron means, student, for example, hydrogen contain one electron. So Bohr explained the spectra of hydrogen atom. And helium plus, students, there are two electrons present in helium. This is one and this is one. When we mix, this is two electrons present in helium. So if helium donates one electron, then one electron is present. So this is also obey the hydrogen rule, one electron rule. So in helium plus also he explained the spectra. Students, then comes to lithium 2 plus. Students, lithium atom contain 3 electrons. Lithium 2 plus means lithium donate 2 electron to another atom. 2 electron donate. Then in present 1 electron present in lithium atom. So lithium 2 plus also contain the hydrogen atoms rule. So in lithium 2 plus, Bohr explained the spectra. Then students, what Bohr fails to explain the multi-electron species. Multi-electron species means more than one electrons spectra. Bohr calculate more than one, not one, more than one. Maybe 2 electron, maybe 3 electron, maybe 4 electron. This is the first drawbacks of Bohr's atomic model. Then students, comes to second drawbacks. Students, the cell, the orbit, this is nucleus. These are the cells, these are the orbit. So according to Bohr, this orbit which present around the nucleus, these circular orbit are planar. Means these circular orbit are present in two dimensional. So in the modern research, these circular orbit are 3 dimensional. Means electrons revolves around the nucleus in 3 dimensional space, in 3D space. Suppose, students, this is the Bohr concept. 2 dimensional spaces the cells are, but electron revolves around the nucleus in 3 dimensional spaces. Means cells are, suppose this is nucleus. So these are the cells. These are the cells. These are the cells. This is 3 dimensional cells. These are the cells according to modern research, and this is nucleus. But these are the concept of Bohr, and this is wrong and this is right. So this is the another disturbance, another drawbacks of Bohr's atomic model. Students, electron revolve around the nucleus in a circular orbit or cell. Electron revolves around the nucleus in the cells or orbit. So according to Bohr, cells or orbits, another name is stationary state. or stationary orbit. Bohr's only said about the stationary state or stationary orbit, but the drawbacks of that sentence is rather Bohr's cannot say about the exact position, exact momentum of each and every electrons. Only said about the stationary state. Only said about the circular orbit or cell. Students, comes to third drawbacks. So what is the third drawbacks? Chemical bonding. Third drawbacks is chemical bonding. Students, Bohr said about the stability of atom, about the stability of any atom and physical properties of atom, but Rutherford could not give a single view about the chemical combination of shape of molecule. What is the shape of molecule? What is the shape of molecule and what is the chemical combination of shape of molecule? About this condition, Rutherford Bohr cannot give a single view. This is the third drawbacks. Yeah. Then students, comes to drawbacks number 5. Zeeman effect. Student, this is an atom. If we give some amount of heat to that atom, it emits many kinds of and many radiation. So suppose this is one radiation. If this one radiation placed in a magnetic field, then it converts into many fine lines. This is Zeeman effect. So the definition of Zeeman effect is the effect of magnetic field. The effect of magnetic field on the spectrum of atom, called Zeeman effect. Students, one case when the scientist, a group of scientists asked a question to Bohr that you tell something about Zeeman effect. Then Bohr cannot give a single view about Zeeman effect. So this is the most important drawbacks of Bohr's atomic model. Then students, what is Stark effect? Students, this is suppose an atom. If we give some amount of heat to that atom, it emits many kinds of or many radiation. Suppose this is one radiation. If we place that radiation between a vacuum tube, between an electric field, means positive and negative charge, it converts into many fine lines. One radiation converts into many fine lines. So this is Stark effect. So definition is the effect of electric field. The effect of electric field on the spectrum of atom is called Stark effect. Students, when comes to drawback number 7, he said that, means Bohr said that the electron is only a particle, nothing else, only a particle, and fails to explain the wave nature of electron. What is the wave nature of electron? Students, this is the 7 drawbacks about Bohr's atomic model. About this class, comment me. Meet you with another concept. Thank you.